Okay, let's now also use ChatGPT to create an email, so an email framework. In the document here, I also have two different prompts for you that you don't have to use, but of course you could. Normally you maybe have a text or a topic, and then you would write me an email for my, or about 7 tips for guitar players, and the goal is to sell my Guitar Hero video course. Something like this. But of course, also here, it makes sense to really tell ChatGPT the audience, the length of the email, what should be in the email, and so on and so on. Because now we can see, okay, this is quite a long email. We have a call to action here, and we have a discount, which is very nice. And up here, we also now have these 7 tips in the subject, and we also have the 7 tips here. But this is maybe not perfect. So rather use here a prompt, write an email for my video course named Guitar Hero. It has the following features, and then we input the features. "5 hours long, bonus ebook." Oops, didn't want to send it yet. What else? Maybe practice files to download, and so on and so on. With it also has the following benefits, and then we would write the benefits. Learn guitar playing within 4 weeks. Daily exercises to really make a progress. And has the following call to action. Following call to action: buy the course today and get a 15% discount. Click on the button below, buy the course now and get a 15% discount. This is also possible. Now ChatGPT has more information. With the 15% discount, it's already possible to have this in the subject line if you want to communicate that. It's a much smoother email because now you have an introduction, you have the facts about the video course, you have facts about the offer, the benefits, and then the call to action. If you don't do it like this, you also get good results like we saw here, but this is rather something ChatGPT likes, but it's not what you exactly want. So when you have a really specific outline maybe, then really communicate that. Because when we just write, hey, please write me an email about this and that, then of course the 7 tips will already be in the email. But if you tell ChatGPT, the email should be about 7 tips, but the 7 tips are only in a YouTube video I recorded, here's the link, then instead of this whole big paragraph, which is way too long, you would have the link to the YouTube video. So then you could combine YouTube video and call to action for the video course in one. Okay, so really be specific here, and then you can simply use that copy and fill in all the brackets, your name, up here the recipient's name, and also change the subject maybe. Give me 10 examples, an example subject lines for this email. Also here, same as for the headlines, you can get a couple of more subject lines. Make them shorter. Don't use the 15% discount. So you can really write here what you want. I don't want the discount already in the headline, and I want to make it shorter. Perfect. Use emojis. Also, that is possible and maybe makes your subject line even better. This is how I use ChatGPT to write emails. If you want to make a specific email or a specific type, for example, business email or promotional email, you can also communicate that. Give me a frame for a business email. Give me a frame for a promotional email. Then you will see this looks different. Only the frame looks different. Here it's more about product service and a discount maybe with the features. So that is already good. And we can simply use that. A business mail is completely something different. So also communicate up here when you talk about what you want. Here, also communicate the style. Is it a business email? Is it formal? Is it informal? And how do you want to address the readers, rather in a formal or informal way? Also communicate that in here to get the best result.